SaveRxCanada honest review. Watch before using. SaveRxCanada is an online pharmacy intermediary that connects customers with licensed Canadian and international pharmacies to provide prescription medication at potentially lower cost. They have been in operation for over 18 years, aiming to offer affordable and reliable services. And here are the key features about this website, which is the Canada RX or SaveRxCanada. So their key features is about to give required valid prescription for medication order, and also collaborate with pharmacies across various countries including Canada, India and the UK, and also offer a additional discount on generic medication not yet available in Canada. And here are the pros and the cons of this website. So the pros is to they give access to international generic and can lead to significant savings ranging from 40% to 90%. And also medications are shipping directly to customers' residence, enhancing conveniences. And also the platforms provide a straightforward process for pricing and refilling order. And here are the cons, which is the downside of this platform or the website, which is some evaluations have raised red flag regarding the website's credibility, and there are reports of unsatisfactory experience with some users labeling the service as a scam. And also indicators suggest that the site has a low volume of visitors, which might reflect on its popularity or reach. And so for more reviews about this website, just go to pharmacyreviews.to for more customers feedback about this Canadian XLP website. And also here's the final conclusion about this website. SaveRxCanada offered potential for significant savings on prescription medication through its network of international pharmacies. However, prospective customers should exercise caution due to signs about the website's trustworthiness and negative user experience. It is advisable to contact through research and consult with healthcare professionals before making any decision related to purchasing medication online.